whisper to fall with a red so very bright. A silly girl, a common whore, someone cover up that sight. No one likes to see leftovers by the dawning light. And there's a buffet every night, but already she knew those woods, each tree and every stone. Doesn't matter either way when there's a wolf inside your home. You can hear the growlings, you throw the dog a bone. You'll catch more bees with honey, dear, but what does mother know? Feed us your girls, the wolf shall